nigo serikali ya county ya Nyamira kurawa no musike amo governor Amos Kimuminyagibo litukolera abanyaraka bagokora okoigwana amo ne kiombe kia EIDU ligosira amasomo y'abarkuwa bebirasi byinse gose ECD kolengana mu governor uyo inachira ya moyo kwene kebuna gisemi ase ebigwango gose birengo byebike gukikonyara kabachire kigwikira ebirengo bibitakeire nabo igo eso mu governor rali bagelio na gosegeta iganga yayo gukikobwatoka erongori gochiesa abarkuwa bari bagosoma ebirasi byinse gose ECD munago tumanye muri kito Fatgad Gisemba.
Ikaunti ya Nyamira nigo yabeire ikaunti ya emerongo ebere na isano na ibere kurikirana okuigwana amone company ya EIDU abo bagokora emiremo yabo ase chinse isato Kenya, Nigeria na boigo area ya Chamani. EIDU abaiga nigo bagosira chisemi anene asaborokiwa abo bagosoma ase ECDE ekbirasi biria bya PP1 na boigo PP2 abwase bono baguchako konya ekaunti eyeiga ya Nyamira wetrase okubabwatokera biria bagutumia gosomera asa masomo ayeiga yekerero muna chisimi.
So Nyamira has a total of around 408 schools and EIDU will be picking up 204 schools. And this means we will be providing digital learning in pre-primary schools, PP1 and PP2. So the total investment that EIDU is pumping into Nyamira County for the first 1 year is approximately 20 million.
Omoroberio oyoiga asomaka omotangani Nyamira oraje gokonya chisukuru chimya ibere na inye korwasi chisukuru chimya inye na isa na isato echichire imeye county eyeiga ya Nyamira naboigo omoroberio oyoigo mogima oraje koira angechishiringi chimilioni emerongo ebere
batumia milioni 20 wasomia bana na wasomia walimu wali wako wasomia wakiwako andu digital gadgets mbaru ebyongo bya masomo ndi mbaru abantu wako basomia igoro bakibyo bibutumika igoro rero no wamade twaje usai
maiga yokurikirana inse amone serikali ye county ya Nyamira nigo EIDU bakwanira enchira bagochya kubwatoka amaigerio igoro yogotumeka chimashini echiga.
So one, I'd like to mention that the devices that we are giving are not computers, they are phones. Yeah, and as I had mentioned earlier on, we will conduct training. So we are not looking for IT experts in schools. We are going to leverage on the already existing teachers at the school. We will conduct a training with those teachers to give them fluency on how to engage with the devices. So basically we are complementing what the normal education is providing, but we want to improve it in terms of mathematics and language.
Ensemo yende nigo mugavana omuske Amos Nyaribo arorekana kogenderera kwegerera ekerengererio yokugania kwenana erongori gochase aborokiwa abo bagosoma se klasi kya ECDE na goteba abange babo ebakorwa emechi betaka naigo erongori nechi kubakonya ase kubamenta obonyamasi ase obochenu gwemebere yabo
because they cannot get enough nutrition. They get retarded. So napata unaona mtoto ni kama wa miaka 8 kumbe mtoto hit 12 years. Ni kwa sababu ya umasikini ndani ya mechi. Kwa hivyo iko uji tunataka kuintroduce fortified uji. Si uji ya kawaida, iko na nutrients. Hiyo uji itasaidia watoto wetu pia. Grow mentally, so that now when they reach a stage of digital learning, akili yao retention power itakuwa juu na wakienda ukombitu huko nje watakuwa mbele.
Hinko ripoti Gatembe kurwase county ya Nyamira nje Fatgad Gisemba.